2026 Toyota RAV4 introduces a refreshed interior that enhances both comfort and technology, aligning with the vehicle's bold exterior redesign. The cabin features a more refined layout, incorporating premium materials and advanced technology to elevate the driving experience. At the heart of the interior is a new 12.3-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Toyota's latest Arene software. This system offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, providing drivers with intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. Over-the-air updates ensure that the system remains current with the latest features and improvements. Complementing the central display is a fully digital instrument cluster, which offers customizable layouts to suit individual preferences. This digital cockpit enhances the modern aesthetic of the RAV4's interior, providing clear and concise information to the driver. The dashboard design has been updated to feature dual-tone soft-touch materials and metallic accents, contributing to a more upscale and cohesive look. This design approach draws inspiration from Toyota's premium models, blending luxury with practicality. Seating comfort has been prioritized, with higher trims offering leather upholstery and ergonomic designs to support long drives. Rear passengers benefit from increased legroom and shoulder space, enhancing overall comfort for all occupants. The center console has been redesigned to provide more storage options and easy access to the vehicle's controls, keeping the interior organized and user-friendly. A wireless charging pad is available, allowing for convenient charging of devices without the need for cables. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication to the cabin, with customizable settings to suit different moods and preferences. This feature enhances the overall ambiance, making the RAV4's interior more inviting during both day and night. A panoramic sunroof is available, allowing natural light to fill the cabin and providing passengers with expansive views. This feature contributes to a sense of openness and connection with the environment. The integration of Toyota's Arene operating system marks a significant step forward in the brand's approach to in-car technology. This system enables advanced features such as lane keeping assistance, parking assistance, and infotainment controls, forming a foundation for future autonomous driving capabilities. Overall, the 2026 Toyota RAV4's interior combines modern design elements with advanced technology to create a comfortable and connected driving environment. These enhancements reflect Toyota's commitment to meeting the evolving needs of drivers and passengers in the compact SUV segment.